In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Squarespace website's SEO settings. Now, if you're new to Squarespace or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that your website is primed for better search engine visibility. Let's dive in. First things first, we're going to head over to Squarespace. So open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace homepage. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to locate the Website menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This menu is your gateway to all the different settings and pages that make up your site. Go ahead and click on Pages. This is where you'll find a list of all the pages currently live or being worked on within your website. Now pick out the specific page you want to optimize. You might want to start with your home page or perhaps a service page, whichever you feel is most crucial for your SEO efforts. Once you've selected your page, you'll see a small gear icon or settings next to the page name. Click on that to open up a whole new set of options for that specific page. Within the settings, you're looking for the SEO tab. It might be towards the middle of your options or varied slightly depending on any updates. Once you've found and clicked on the SEO tab, this is where the magic happens. Here you can enter the SEO title and description specific to this page. Now the key here is to keep it relevant, precise, and informative. Your SEO title should be a concise reflection of what visitors can expect when they click on your link. Think of it as the headline that will capture their attention when it shows up in search results. Meanwhile, the description is your chance to expand slightly, giving potential visitors a snapshot of the content or the value they'll find on that page. This area isn't just about cramming in keywords. Make sure it reads well and piques interest. And just like that, you're done. It's important to repeat this process for each significant page on your site to give them all a solid foundation in terms of SEO. By customizing the SEO settings for individual pages, you're more likely to see an improvement in how they perform on search engines. So there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can improve your website's visibility and attract more visitors. Make sure to revisit these settings regularly and adjust them as needed to keep up with any changes in your offerings or SEO best practices. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.